Hello everyone, what's up?
As you already know that we are pregnant. If you haven't watched our pregnancy announcement video, then you can check it out here. So as of now, we have done home pregnancy test.
And we have been to doctor as well. That was our first visit to doctor. So we have asked some question and she have given us a lot of information. So yeah, we would like to share with you guys. Any other test right now? No blood test or anything. So the home pregnancy kit test was also fine. So the blood test will also tell the same thing. Ultrasound we cannot have right now because it's early pregnancy.
So she has prescribed for ultrasound next week. We'll go for scan next week.
Is there any complication or anything, something like that? Because sometimes what she said, it says some complications. You will come to know within the ultrasound and all those things. And she actually told us that if you are curious, then only go for the ultrasound. Otherwise, the first ultrasound she prescribed for 8th week, not that early.
But we are curious, so we'll go for next week.
Yeah, we need a confirmation from a doctor.
Yeah.
That pregnancy is divided into 40 weeks and we need to have 4 scans within that. First one will be on 8th week, which will be to know the heartbeat of the baby, and the second one will be on 12th week. I don't know what is that for. And third one will be on 20th week. I don't know what that for. And the last one will be on 32th week. I don't know what is that for as well. So these are all the scans.
It's fine to have those many scans. There is no issue with that.
Yeah.
And we'll be going for scan next week to confirm our pregnancy.
Yeah, because we just tested with our home pregnancy test and we need bit confirmation, and she also recommend that because if there's some issue she will be able to know earlier.
So our second question was how doctor calculate weeks of pregnancy. So she told us they calculate from the very first day of last period till now. Doctor said that don't eat pineapple and papaya. Other than that, we can eat pickle.
Actually, anything we can. She didn't say like anything we should not eat or something like that. She said like you can.
But
eat
of course,
everything.
everything should be in limits.
Just a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't go overboard with anything. Then you can eat everything.
Please hold for a very important message.
So she told us pregnancy is not a disease, so don't treat it like that, and you need to be normal and you need to live your normal life.
It's fine to walk and jog
Yes,
in pregnancy, and if you're not doing, then we have to start that.
Yeah, but she don't have to lift the heavy weights or something like that. Only any heavy thing she not supposed to lift, because that's what she told us, like don't lift any heavy thing. She can do household works as well.
Everything. Basically.
Yeah, basically everything she told us. And for transportation also she said like, okay, you can go in bus, train, scooter, anywhere, it's okay. You don't have to worry. And while talking about this, in the end she told us this.
Yeah, so while editing I realized I forgot to share one tip with you guys. So when you are going to the doctor, always record the conversation, because they will be giving a lot of information and it's very hard to keep track of that information. So it's better to have a recording that you can play later on and don't get confused with the information what they have shared. Okay, so there are a lot of bloopers now, you can check it out.
Yeah, so what she told, what doctor is on 8th week, second is on 12th week, and third one is on 20th week, and fourth one is on 36th week. गलत है सब कुछ 32 week no, 30.
So third question was what to eat or what not to eat. So our doctor said don't eat apple and papaya. And
आ जाओ पहले ये तो कर लो, एंड तो रिकॉर्ड कर लो.
Thank you guys for watching.
And yeah, so we are vlogging every week of our pregnancy, so you can subscribe for that, and if you like the video, just put a thumbs up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Up next.
So मैं 5 weeks 5 days pregnant हूँ.
I wish I could show you guys her face. She was so excited while talking about this.